Animals are remarkable architects, creating stunning structures that showcase their ingenuity. Termites construct towering mounds that can reach over 10 feet high, engineered for ventilation and temperature control. Beavers build elaborate dams with branches, mud, and stones, transforming landscapes to create safe habitats. Birds like the weaver finch intricately weave nests using grass and twigs, ensuring safety for their young. Even ants are impressive, forming complex networks of tunnels underground. Each of these structures reflects the unique needs and behaviors of the species, demonstrating nature's creativity and adaptability. Explore this fascinating world of animal architecture and be amazed